Hey and welcome. So let's continue with the colors. There are different representations for colors. You can use a keyword. You can say a color is white. That's a keyword. You can say it is black. And then you can use the hexadecimal representation. So for white, we will use F, 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 F. They're supposed to be 6. So the hex usually has 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. And then the RGB, if you want the RGB equivalent, let's use the white as an example. It will be RGB 255, 255, 255. If you're describing colors, you can use any of this. Maybe you'll say background is white, or you can say background is that hexadecimal color, or you can say the background is that RGB color. Any of this will be fine. In most cases, you'll find mostly used is this and then this. So going back to the basics, one color format that is used is the RGB format, whereby R represents red, G green, and blue. So in the hex format, this is how you'd write red, whereby all the other colors are 0, 0. So that's red. And green, whereby red and blue are 0. So that's green. And for blue, green, and red are 0. So we have there blue. So you can write it as 6 like that, or you can just bring it down. That becomes F, and then that one is 0, 0. So it can be F for red, 0, 0, and then for green, just bring it down. That one becomes 0, that one is F, and that one is 0. So this can also be a representation of it. You don't have to use all the 6 letters or digits of it. And then this can be 0, 0, F. So sometimes you'll come across this, or you'll come across the 3, or you'll come across all the 6. In most cases, if it can be brought down, it will be brought down. Like this one, it can be brought down. You can just see this or this are equal. This and this are the same. That can be brought down like that. And the same thing is for white. This white, you can write it as all the 6 F's, or just F, 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 and never forget that in front of it. So in the next video, let's go to Sublime and see this in action. See you then.